Ready? Islamabad. The opposition on Friday lashed out at the government in the National Assembly for signing what it called an illogical agreement with the Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan last year about expulsion of French ambassador from the country and ending of trade relations with France over its government's stance on publication of sketches in a magazine. The government, however, claimed it had never inked any agreement regarding expulsion of the ambassador. Rather, an understanding had been reached with the TLP that a resolution would be tabled in the assembly regarding removal of the ambassador. The agreement with the TLP, as reported by the media, read the government will take a decision from the parliament regarding expulsion of the French ambassador within 3 months, will not appoint its ambassador to France, and release all the arrested workers of the TLP. The government will not register any case against the TLP leaders or workers even after it calls off the sit-in. In September 2020, French magazine Charlie Hebdo had republished sketches of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ that triggered protests across the Muslim world. TLP was among the parties and groups that mounted protests in Pakistan over the issue. When the government knew that it could not sever bilateral relations with France, then why such an agreement was signed with TLP, asked Naveed Qamar of the Pakistan People Party during a debate in the National Assembly. He said the government was thinking of moving the Supreme Court for resolution of TLP, but the parliament was not being taken into confidence over the matter. Nothing is being conveyed to the parliament, he said. Mr. Qamar asked whether decisions in the past to ban certain organizations had been implemented in letter and spirit. He said that the Interior Minister should inform the House on details of the banned organizations and what action, if any, had been taken against them. Syed Imran Ahmad Shah of the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz said the government should cut all sorts of relation with France and its ambassador should be sent back.